today we bought the most expensive tickets in the worst rated airline. Let's see if it's worth it or not. We are here in the domestic flights airport. It's the T3 if I'm not wrong, and we are catching Jetstar, a company here from Australia. It's like a Ryanair in Europe. Four in the morning coffee check, approved. As you can see, we have the gate, A35, here we go. After checking how comfortable the seats were, which they actually were, we listened to the instructions of the air hostesses, but we had a major problem. Okay, so we had a little trouble. Actually booked 1F and 1D, so supposedly it's in the first row. And in our ticket, in our boarding pass, it was 5F and 5D. So it's not a good signal because I actually booked specifically that ones because I wanted to show you the best ones. We paid more for the seats, for the food and for the bags, but we don't have the seats, which is a big no-no. Anyways, as you can see, we have some leg room. It's not that bad, but for me, this thing that changing our seats in the last moments, not a good thing for Jetstar, honestly. I filmed, or I tried to film, because I didn't want to film the people who are actually in our seat, but they have so much more space than us in the seat 1. Sadly, I don't know why they changed us. Let's see if they remember the food, because I know we have a $10 voucher. So let's see if they try to charge us or if they have the right information, because, well, this is not our seat. After checking the menu with a lot of options to choose and check the entertainment and Wi-Fi options we had, we decided to order the food to eat.
Do they have $10 each? Maybe $10 each? Okay.
Yes, please. Can I have for now the banana bread, which is 5, and I will keep my 5 for later maybe?
Yeah, maybe just do it now, only because it's such a short flight, so I won't have time to serve it later.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Can I have then the banana bread and the lemon tea cake? Thank you. Thank you. They knew that we have $10 each, but for me, this was a good pass, but for me, well, we should have been in the seat number 1. About the food, all good. The real challenge is to see if the cakes and the popcorn are good, but the popcorn, I think they will be good. The cakes, we will try it now. The cake was actually alright, but I was already a bit mad. If you're still watching at this time, leave me a like and a sub, because I'll give you an extra thing in the end of the video, and I just decided to show you, or to give you a little tour of our hotel, literally in the city center of Brisbane. So don't leave already, because you have to see our hotel in Brisbane. We are kinda excited to see how Brisbane is, if it's good, if it has the environment and the ambience that Sydney had. We are very tired and we don't know if we will have enough time to explore Brisbane, but we'll try our best for sure, because after giving you a little tour of our hotel, I think we're gonna rest for a little bit. Before arriving, I decided to try to use this free internet in flight, which was actually paid, and in my opinion, $7 for 1 hour and a half is very expensive and not worth it at all. Well, we just landed. The landing was very smooth as well, no problems at all, and we are literally in time. We just arrived and it's 7:30, and the flight was from 6 to 7:30, so perfect timing. We are heading to the hotel, and I'm gonna give you a little tour about our hotel, and we'll have some rest because we are kinda, well, broken. We slept 1 hour, so yeah, very tired. But content is content, so leave me a like and a sub, please. Help me here. We just arrived to Brisbane and to our hotel, but our room is not ready, so I'm gonna show you a little bit of Brisbane if I can until our room is ready. So join me. Brisbane is considered one of the big cities here in Australia. Honestly, it looks like nobody's here. Like it's a Sunday morning in Sydney. It's crazy. Everybody's out. Here is like nobody's here. Brisbane has that big city vibes. Meanwhile, we were having so much fun playing in the Olympic Village. They did the Olympic Games in a way to support their athletes during the Olympic Games, and we took advantage to go for a walk in the center as well. Afterwards, we received a call from our hotel and the room was ready, so we went to our room and got some rest. Thank you so much for watching, and come on, leave me a sub. Take care, see you soon.